Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Thursday, January the 5th, 2023. And in this additional, I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, and I've already solved the binary. So now it's time for the last one, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, they call it Suguru. And this one will be number 5744. Double four, yes. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, this one has a lot, 17. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Should be an easy one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? That's my question. Here we have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those two boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box, there a triple box, and here a triple box. When you see a triple box, well, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The 1 and the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, this side or that side, this box can only be 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Okay, we go to this triple box, the 1, the 2, 3 contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I do not know in which order. Could be everywhere. But when you see the triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here in the same area. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And we go to the third triple box. The 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the inside box of the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, do not know in which number, so let me mark those. Let me mark this box with 4 or a 5. Alright, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this Z or S construction. If you rotate this, you will get this S. If you mirror this, you will get the Z. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see the S construction or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. All right. Do we have only one? No. Here we have another one, and it's mirrored with this shape or figure, the Z, if you rotate this. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. All right. We have only 2 of them, yes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can be a 1 because we already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also 2. One box left in this dual box for number 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape, figure, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it? Here, rotate it. This box has the same name as that box, so in this case should be a 5 here. Yeah, a 5. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Let me check. Only one. We have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape, figures, structures, or constructions here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This shape, well, one of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, we have a 1 here. So these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Then 2 numbers are left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. Then these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think there's 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 5. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also this box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. Well. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 3, this box can be a 4, so the 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this Z or S construction for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, those two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Yeah. And I'm thinking 4 and a 5, okay. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final two numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Cannot be a 4 stars with 17 printed digits. It's not indicated well, yes. Can it be a 4 stars? Can it be a 3 stars? Can it be a 2 stars? It's a 1 star. Yes, I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, new day, new puzzles. Until then, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month. Speed test. Yes, we're gonna have a speed test tomorrow with a heavy and a light Sudokus. Until then, bye-bye for now.